Unlocking the meaning of draw upon, a guide to mastering English expressions. Hello, fellow language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the essence of a common yet powerful phrase in English, draw upon. It's a phrase that can add depth to your language skills and allow you to express yourself with greater sophistication. Get ready to dive in and unlock its secrets. Draw upon is a phrasal verb that, like a chameleon, changes its nuance depending on the context. To draw upon something means to use resources, knowledge, experience, or information that you have available in order to achieve something. Think of it as reaching into an invisible backpack of skills and goodies you've collected over time and picking just the right tool for the job at hand. This versatile phrase can be used in multiple contexts. For instance, in academic writing, one might draw upon previous research or theories. A speaker may draw upon personal experiences to add credibility to a speech. In artistic creation, an artist might draw upon inspirations from their surroundings or past work. It's all about tapping into something that already exists as a form of support or inspiration. Let's see draw upon in action. The novelist drew upon her childhood memories to write her latest book. Engineers often draw upon old blueprints when designing new products. During the debate, he drew upon a wealth of statistics to support his argument. Noticing the pattern? It's all about utilizing existing resources for a current need. Using draw upon correctly involves a bit of finesse. Here are some tips. Ensure there's a sense of resource or reference in the context. Draw upon is often used in more formal or academic situations. It's usually followed by a noun or a gerund, a verb ending in ing that functions as a noun. Draw upon is more than just a phrase. It's a gateway to expressing the richness of past experiences or accumulated knowledge. By learning to use it, you're not just drawing upon a new vocabulary word, you're expanding your ability to communicate complex ideas. We hope you found this exploration enlightening and that you'll draw upon this video in your English language journey. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.